Family, this morning it's your boy Feniks checking in with you, man. Just wanted to talk to you for a second. I gained some information yesterday that really sparked my interest and made me think about some things. I didn't know that the Debtors Prison is now back into effect. Like, it's been out of effect for a long time, where a debtor couldn't send you to jail because you was behind in a debt. Now, you know what I'm saying, they didn't start it where, I don't know, I think it's in certain states as of now, where you can actually, if you like, I think the limit is like up to 1,300. So if you 1,300 in debt, they can actually take you to court and put you in jail, or try to force you or add more to it to be able to help you in a situation that you're doing. You see what I'm saying? So, well, I ain't gonna say help you in a situation. I help the creditor in a situation so that they can try to get some of this money back. So, man, I'm gonna tell you something. I feel like that's gonna change a lot of things, man. So to all my family out there, man, my folks out there that got debt, that got a lot of bad debt, and you trying to fix it or need to fix it, man, I would say most definitely try to find you someone to help you work on it, man. There's a lot of different programs and individuals who can help clean your credit up, where you can actually, move on. And at first, to be real, I was all cash, you know what I mean, after my first divorce. I mean, I just say, man, it's just cash for good credit, you know what I mean? But now that I've been out here and I'm established in Phoenix, I'm starting to realize that I just need my credit to be decent to do certain things without having to ask anybody for any assistance. So, you know what I mean? I try my best to be independent and just, rely on me, my wife, and our hustles and our skills and our abilities. But, we don't reach out to nobody and say, hey, we need a hand. Hey, we need this. No, we just figure out how to do it, save our money, invest it in whatever need to be done. And now I'm realizing that having good credit in today's society, at least having decent credit, I'm gonna just say decent credit, can help you overcome a lot of obstacles. You know what I'm saying? Instead of you having to go do certain things or go through certain people. So I met this lady named Tawana, and I'm gonna give you her phone number. Her phone number is 480-562-1984. Now, she is a credit repair broker. Great lady, you know what I mean? I think she charged me and hold up for a second. I think it was 188. 188 to get started, and then it's like 80 something dollars a month. And normally it takes about 3 months, before you actually see good time. But she said normally you're gonna start seeing something in about 45, about 3 months, it's gonna be a drastic change. So if you're trying to invest in your business, in your life, to do better, to live better, man, I would say most definitely give that lady a call. She helped me like tremendously, you know what I mean, and still helping us, you know what I mean. So and she got some more things that could benefit you too, like life insurance, some good terms where you can actually see a benefit. So it made sense now as a business investment to invest in my my credit, and to invest in my life insurance, to invest in different little small policies that can benefit me. And then the policies, one of them that I really like, this full term, that say whatever I'm paying a month, and say 5 years, 10 years go down, I want to make an investment, I can actually just hit my people up that I'm been doing my life insurance through and say, hey, I need to start this, I need to help on this business, I need this and this, and I can take some of that money out and borrow it against myself. So that's great, man. That's a great idea. So and things that you can actually be able to do with this program. So I just wanted to put y'all up on some game today, man, and say, man, things are getting real out here, man. They trying to just lock people up. We already know that America's all about money, you know what I'm saying? And that's what it's all about. I mean, and they don't care, about skin color. When it comes to this thing, they don't care. It's about $1. So if your money ain't right and your situation is wrong, man, they trying to put us in prison. I mean, literally, they trying to lock us up for having mistakes with our credit. So let's try to fix that, man. You know what I mean? Save yourself some headaches. I mean, I'm working on mine. If you want to work on yours, that's great. If not, to each his own. But at least you know the information now. So you can't say that, man, did nobody put me up on this? Now you know. And I'm out. Phoenix.